All right, we're trying this new strategy here. Let's see if it works. This is way too choppy and fast. Let's switch over to a little bit slower time chart here. Take a peek. Even slower yet. 5 minute even. MNQ. Let's look at the day chart right here. You can see it is a red day, but it's up in the upper part of the previous bullish candle. But it's sideways and choppy. Anything can happen. It could just go flying up over the top of previous day, so we're ready for that. Or it could drop back down into this bar coding, up and down, all the way back down here. Anything could happen, but if we drop down into the lower time charts, we're going to try to see if we can use this strategy. I'm trying this new strategy here, and I'm going to practice it here for a second. And we want the price to flow in a direction that points all the moving averages in agreement in that direction. So once we get that, we're going to look for an engulfing pattern to take place. Like that right there would be a good example. It's almost there, except these are not above this slowest. And with discretion, I could have used that. But the idea is to get all the moving averages going in the same direction, and then have an engulfing candle take place, and then get long and use that strategy there. It has to be engulfing. It helps to have structure. It helps to have a Fibonacci level. It even helps to have a liquidity sweep somewhere. In other words, if this were to come down, sweep that liquidity, hit these pivots, Fibonacci pullback, and everything's in order, that would be the best setup. I'm not going for any breakouts. That's a different strategy, and it's pretty nice. It's cool to have. But right now, I'm just saying I'm looking for pullbacks, either long or short. Right now, it's going long. The 500 tick chart, MNQ, and we'll be waiting now. It's getting even closer to, and I could have taken this one here. To think about it. Because everything is spread out and everything is in order except for the slowest one, and price is above it. So that's something I need to consider next time. So a pullback, an engulfing candle. Let's take a look at this. All right, it's time for some music. I'd like it to get deeper. I want it to come down at least to the 100 moving average, or in between these. And we could go long on this thing. I want to wait till the first 15 minutes settles out here. First 15-minute candles in the making here. No noise. Yeah, let's see. I mean, 15-minute trend line break. It's coming right up to that trend line right now. And this is where anything can happen. That's the dashed line there is the high of the overnight session. So that's as high as it got last night. The next line up is as high as it got yesterday, and this dashed line is the close of yesterday. So it may want to go straight up there, whip up there. Once it gets up into this area here and holds and bounces and consolidates, I would think it would continue longer. Right now, it's got to get past this trend line. That's the first level of resistance. And the trend line happens to be right up underneath the close of yesterday. So let's look at that yesterday again. Yesterday, we could see where it closed, where the high is, and where the overnight session are, all three right there. Let me mark out how big that is from here to there. That thing can go all the way up here. See, it's in a really weird spot. It's right in the middle of this, just this range, and it can go all the way to the top, or it can go all the way to the bottom. But it looks like it's trending down, but it has big swings. So let's see this trend line right here. It's got room to go up to that trend line. No doubt about it. So we need to be looking for there. I was just too busy talking. There's the setup. Comes down into and in between. These moving averages are all in order. You get the engulfing green taking out the red, probably going long right over that area right there, right here. Boom. Now, do we have another setup, or is it breaking down now? It touched the close of yesterday. Well, this is the setup. If we get it, I'll take it, but I don't like this one as much because it had not touched the close yet.
Order filled.
I'll try it, but I don't like it as much.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
I'm getting out of it. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that, but I just don't like it as much. Yeah, it would have stopped me out right on the ticker. Yeah. This one, I was too busy talking. I missed it. Once it gets up to the close, it starts getting weak. Then it changes things. I'm not saying it won't go back up. We could get a 3-bar reversal way down here that might be worth a good 1-to-1. So let's pay attention because everything hasn't. I'm waiting. If the 100 doesn't.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah. So that's definitely. So I got out of the one. I got hit on the other. Now I wouldn't want to take it unless it takes out the top of this pivot here, because one of the hard things is determining which red area you want to take out. Okay, so now everything's switching back down. Once it rotates down, once these cross, I don't do it in the middle. I just wait for it to, and you know, sometimes that's the wrong thing to do, but I can see people shorting all this up here for their strategies. I got it. I understand that. This particular strategy is waiting for the moving averages to all agree. And I had some great setups. I missed this first one here, engulfing pattern, and I missed this one because I was talking on the video. A beautiful setup. I knew this one looked a little sketchy, got out of it, and then I tried this one down here, which was reasonable because the 100 did not cross the 200 yet. And you're going to get these two. These are faster. These are going to cross all the time. That could have bounced right there and been a beautiful test right back up to the top. It just didn't work. So now, you know, we don't have it for the long side because there's a point where there's a time when you're in the middle and things are transitioning and you have to wait. This is a transition stage for this particular strategy. I need this 200 to cross this 400, and then I need it to pull back up into the perfectly aligned moving averages and give me a green, an engulfing candle. An engulfing candle or 3-bar reversal, whatever you want to call it. See, I wouldn't take this long yet because for my strategy, I mean, you could tighten it up and put a 50 moving average on there and just say, I'm going to use those three. And once I get those three, but the whole idea of this is to wait for it to pull back up into the perfectly aligned moving averages. That's the idea in this strategy. And right now there's too much flatness. It's not spread out real nice. You see, you get right over here, you get it nice and spread out. This is the setup. This is what it has to look like to take the trade. Not this sideways mess here. But it has to look spread out. Now on the 100 tick chart, I can show you where we did it this morning. And it worked pretty good. Where was that? Right here. See how the moving averages are all spread out? We had our first engulfing red situation here. I actually took this short. This one I lost. This one I got. This one I missed. Because the moving averages are spread out and all agreeing in the same direction. We get a nice pullback. Here, the liquidity sweep of this was good, even better. Nice drop down, bigger move down even. This was a good Fibonacci pullback here. You want it to be in between the 100 and the 200 usually, or the 50 and the 100, somewhere in that area. Too flat. This is a 100 tick chart. Too flat. Can't do anything with it right now for this particular strategy. Too flat. What's what 1,000's doing? Too flat. This is almost ready. It's got to have an explosive move up and then a pullback into the moving averages. Oh. Okay, too flat. So you want it to take this out now. Take this area out up here. Big explosive move, and then we'll look for a pullback. Okay. Keep going. Let's get a pullback. Oh, there's your pullback. Oh, and I would have been stopped out on that. So let's hold up. That's a nice pattern. It just whipped, chopped, and smacked. So I don't know what's going on. Is there news or... Let's go to the 250. It's a little too quick on this. That keeps us out of some of the lower time frame noise. 1,000 tick chart usually is pretty good, but it's just, I'm just looking for a trade. There's nothing going on right now on this time chart here. But if we were using this time chart, you can see, yeah, the only setup was right here. Let's go to the 500, see what's going on here. Okay, we might get something on the time chart here.
Order filled.
See if it'll go.
Order filled. Order canceled.
It wasn't deep enough, so all I was going to take in was some scalp. Surely it'll go up a little bit. It's very rare that you get in and it immediately crashes and takes you out right away. So if you can get something out of it when it's a less quality trade, I say take it.
Everything will stay.
All right, let's see this pullback. That was it. That's a breakout pullback strategy. That's not what I'm practicing right now, though. I'm tempted to just take some trades on other strategies, but I really wanted to practice this particular strategy.
Order filled.
All right, I got another account going. I'm just going to go long on that one because I'm trying to pass it. This particular account, I'm working on this strategy. Now, if we get a 3-bar reversal right here, it would have to take out that red one right there. That's a good area. It's back into some pivot levels. Now we need an engulfing candle go over this little consolidation area.
Order
I'll
filled.
take that. Let's see what we get here. Can we get anything on it?
Every thought begins to quiet. Every doubt begins to fade. When I stop resisting everything, trust the way it's made. There's
Go back over the close. You got it.
the chaos. There's calm inside the flow. Everything begins to open when I finally let go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm just getting out of
Order
it.
canceled.
It's not moving the way I want. I got the other one still long though. My other account's still long. The Apex, I don't like it. It's not, I expected it to go already. The other one's a longer term hold. I've got a bigger risk on it. This one right here, I'm practicing a different strategy. Well, I don't know, man. I should have just been patient. The setup was good. I just got spooked. Yeah, I got spooked. Now it's up at the overnight high, which is a decent area to take profit on that other one.
Order submitted.
I'm going to break even on that trade that I got in up over on the other account here. Go up, buddy. Go up over the top.
Order filled.
I'm getting out.
Order canceled.
I took some profit on that, a little tiny bit. So if it goes over the top of the high of the overnight session, now it's made some new. You know, that was the high of the overnight session. It just crossed up over the top of it. You can see that pintail peeking over the top. So the next target is yesterday's high. And this thing looks like it wants to go. I would get long on this now, seeing this behavior here. Past the 15-minute candle. We're already done with the 15-minute candle and it's still pushing. So I would think that a nice pullback would get us in that again. I'm gonna get back in somehow here. All right, it's back down to my original entry on the other time chart.
Order submitted.
I've got an order in. Let it come down a little bit more.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in it now again. So let's see what happens.
Searching for a meaning in a place I couldn't find. Looking outside for answers that were hidden in my mind. But the rhythm started shifting and it pulled me in.
All right, maybe we'll get a setup here. This is the setup idea. Everything is in line. All the moving averages. We're getting a liquidity sweep right there.
There's a truth in letting go. Everything becomes much clearer.
All we need is an engulfing candle.
Order filled.
Okay, I don't know if that didn't close, so I should get stopped out of this probably. It didn't. I should have waited for it to close. It moves so quick. I just take the chance. So
Stop
yeah.
filled.
To be expected. If it closes, it does a lot better. So if it closes, I will take it again. Above this area here. Let it close above this area here. Or push high enough for me to have some confidence. Problem is when you back test, you don't have the momentum reality of each candle, which changes everything. If price moves very quickly and you don't see that on a back test, when you're looking at the printed candle, that's missing completely from your back test awareness. And in the heat of the moment,
Order filled.
you don't know if you would have took that trade or not.
There's a calm that slowly grows when I stop controlling everything and I trust the way it flows. Nothing lost, nothing wrong. Everything is led me here. In this moment, I remember there was never anything to fear. Peace, peace, peace. I feel the
Stop
peace.
filled.
Alrighty.
Let it flow.
Yeah, when it starts doing this choppy, nasty behavior, then you're going to take some losses. That's how it goes. It's not clean at all. Aggravating.
I feel the peace.
Order
Try it
filled.
again. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, it's going to chop your head off a few times, take a few fingers, and then maybe it'll go. Back up here. I'm going to see it get back up here now. If it takes me out on this, I'm going to at least not use this account. The other account's doing good.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to take
Order
profit.
canceled.
Each time it gets me profit on that one. This one's suffering a big headache over here. Yeah, I mean, if it comes down, it comes down. I would not be surprised if it does. This is just the way the market is. What I have to do is just stop trading, and that's the thing about blowing up your accounts, getting frustrated, you know, it's just going on tilt. You can't do that. You can't do that. You're going to have trouble. You're going to have choppiness. You're going to have the market slap you around. There's nothing you can do about it except stop trading.
By step, breath by breath, there is nothing left to chase. Everything is happening exactly in its place.
Here it comes. It's coming down to stop me out again. That's
Order
fine.
submitted.
After this, I'm not going to trade this particular account. It's just, you know, it's just not working. So fine.
Stay,
You win. You beat me up. Are you happy? You're the champion.
stay.
Come on, come get it so I can close this one out. I'm not going to trade this account anymore. It's getting pretty beat up here. 136 down. It's a PA account, Apex account. I'm trying to get a payout on it, and it's hurting right now. The other one's up $43 though, and the other one's up $234. So if I lose this, I'll probably be, you know, maybe barely profitable altogether, but I sure wish it would go up. This looks a lot better on this side. 5,000 tick chart's much better looking.
feels divine. No more fear, no more fight. Only flow, only light.
Order filled.
All right, I'm getting long on the longer time chart. Five-minute time chart. Come on, buddy. Break over the top of these two red candles. That would be excelente. Keep going, yeah. Keep going. Tell those sellers what's happening. There's a lot of, this whole area is just ridiculous with sellers. So it's got a job to do right here, buddy. It's gonna go up right here. It's got a job to do.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna take
Order
whatever I can get on
canceled.
that thing. Still long on the other account. Down only 71 now instead of 136. If it gives, I see what I'm up against now with all these sellers right here in this area. A lot of selling. It has not closed above the bottom of this box yet. So once it gets up in there, I just took my profit, reduced my losses on the one account. The other two are still green.
I don't see, but I believe. Through the night, you lead.
Yeah. Take the profit on the pintails up there at the top. I like that it's making higher lows. That's a good sign. It's always a good sign to see those higher lows coming in right there. So the area to buy is down here. Let's keep an eye on that on the 5,000 tick chart. The area, or the 1,000, the area to buy is around the 200 EMA. No breakouts, only dips. Buy the dip. Let's go like this.
Order submitted.
Let's even put one in down here.
Faith, 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 hour by faith. Believe, believe, believe.
Go up there, buddy boy. Boy, this 4-hour chart looks good. It did break the trend line pretty good there. Yeah.
Order canceled.
Wow. Okay. Oh, right back down. It's making higher lows, man. Higher lows looks good. But it could do a sharp pullback, sweep all that, and just come back down into the range. There's a nice range, big range going on here. But it definitely looks bullish. And the range itself is giving us higher lows, so that's good. It could come down here and put in a higher low somewhere around the 100, 200 EMA though. Another higher low. So that's what we're kind of waiting for here.
Order
I'm going to
submitted.
put another buy order down underneath these pivot levels on the other chart, on the other one. Somewhere around the 100 EMA, I got another buy order, so I'll be long 2 micros. All right, anyway, that's it for today. Half an hour live streaming. I'll see you next time. God bless each and every one of you. Go to my other website for Bible studies if you want. Link is at the bottom, the other YouTube channel, I should say. And I'll see you.